Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. So today I brought tomato pasta fire noodles. I've never tried this flavor before. I've seen it in store for a while now, but I didn't really think that it would be good. But I saw very few reviews. I didn't see a lot reviews that it's pretty good, so I wanted to give it a try. So this one is Korean brand frozen mozzarella cheese. I think it has cheddar and mozzarella. So I tried one. It's a bit sweet because the typical mozzarella cheese we think is pretty salty, but this one's it's decently sweet. I have this Chick-fil-A sauce that I had at home, and then this is chili sauce, and I have pickle radish that's kind of like blending in with my sweater. So I did add a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some boiled egg. I stole it from Ahmed's bowl, like Ahmed's stash, I guess, not his bowl.
So one thing that I did notice when I was cooking this was everything is the same. Like it's with the original fire sauce, but there's an extra packet with it's like a cheese powder, I feel like. That adds that pasta aroma flavor.
Also, I finally finished my mandarin bottle and I'm trying the pomegranate vinegar. A lot of you guys are wondering where I get this from. I get mine from H Mart, but there are so many different flavors available on Amazon, which I will link down below. I'm not like sponsored or anything, but I really like this vinegar because it helps with my bowel movements. I'm sorry. Also, I feel like it's been really great on my skin. Cheers. That's cold. I'm gonna do 1/2 an egg first. I was kind of worried that the tomato taste will overpower, and I can't really imagine tomato pasta with instant noodles like this. But there's, I would say, 70% fire noodle and 30% tomato pasta, maybe less, maybe 25 tomato pasta. Wow, this is so good. Okay, try my cheese stick. I want to try this without any sauce first. That's insane. Wow, this is so sweet. Try with my Chick-fil-A sauce. I feel like this is so already so seasoned and has so much flavor that I don't really need any sauce. It's actually pretty good with this fire sauce. Oh, spicy. Whew. You know, I had the original fire noodle the other day. It wasn't as spicy. You know, people who eat this, who enjoy this. I enjoy it. I mean, it's really spicy, but I enjoy it, right? What I don't understand is, okay, you could tolerate spicy food, but how do you eat it so clean?